Hello everyone and welcome back to another beginner lesson with myself. Today I will be introducing you to jigs, namely one called Out in the Ocean, which is a great starter session tune to get you on your feet and get you going. Now, before we get right into it, I think it's important to discuss that there are two new notes in this particular tune, and that would be the high F and the high G. Now, the way those notes are achieved is by just playing an F and blowing harder to break the octave and get the note. So I'll just let you hear those notes first before we actually get into learning the tune. So F, remember, is 4 fingers, and like so, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just blow a little harder to get to the break the octave. So you can hear it there, that's the high F. And then there's the high G, which is 3 fingers, and again, just blowing a little harder, and it breaks the octave and gives you the note. So 1, 2, 3, G. So that's just an example of the 2 extra notes that are used in this upcoming tune. Alright, so now I'm just going to play the tune fully through, and I just want you to listen to just get a sense of what a jig sounds like, and the emphasis on the sort of lift and where I'm breathing. So you just got to listen to it, and I'll play it at just a moderate pace, and so it's not going too fast. So. So there you have it. So I'm just going to go right into the first section of this tune, the first little phrase, as you will, and it just goes like so. So. Okay, so that is GED BBAG BD BAB. So that's the first little phrase. I'll just play that again and play along as well as you can, and will, Okay, so the second line of the first part goes like this. I'll just play it nice and slow so you can hear it. So that's G E D G A B B A G E. So there's no new notes in this first part compared to the second part that we haven't already been over. So I'll just play it again. Now the third and fourth line of the first part, I'll do the third line first, and so I'll let you hear it. Okay, so it starts D, low D, B, B, A, G, B, D, B, A, B. So again, all the notes that we've already went over. So I'll just play that again for you. Okay, and then the last line of the first part of this tune goes like so. So that's G, E, D, G, A, B, G, F, G. And sometimes it can change, you can do an E before the G at the end, but I like to put an F in there. So just play that one more time. Nice and slow. Okay, so that's the 4 lines in the first part of the tune, and I'll just play the whole thing now again, and feel free to play along or pause if you want to go back and to go over the little phrases again. But if you're feeling comfortable to play along with the first part. So that's the first part of Out in the Ocean, the jig. So right into the second part, there are going to be those 2 notes that were discussed earlier on, and that's the high F and the high G. In the first line of the second part, there is the high G. This note here, remember that 1, 2, 3, G, and then blowing harder. So you can hear that. So that's in the first line of this second part. So what I'll do is just play the first little phrase and let you hear it. So that's the first line. You can hear that where the high G is going in there. So it's B, high D, high E, high E, high D, B, high E, high G, high E, high E, D, high D, B. So. Okay, so that's the first line of the second part, and then the second line of the second part goes like this. Okay, so that includes the high F, which is 4 fingers and blowing harder. So it's like. Okay, so I'll let you hear that little phrase again. Okay, so that is the second line of the second part. Let's play it one more time and play it fairly slowly and play along as well, just so you can hear it. Alright, so there's the second part that has those 2 extra notes in it. I'll play the first phrase and the second phrase together, so it sounds so it actually sounds like more like the tune. Alright, that's the first 2 lines of the second part. Alright, we're on to the last little section in this tune, and I'll just play the last 2 lines for you so you can hear it at a slow pace, and just to get it into your ear so you can listen to it. So just one more time, just so you can hear that again. Alright, so it goes G, A, B, high D, high E, high G, high E, high D, B. So that's the third line. And then it goes A, G, E, D, G, A, B, G, F, G. So I'll just go slowly again over that, so let you hear it. And then the last line. All right, so that's really the whole second part. It's really simple tune, and it's just great to get you going. So what I'm going to do now is play the complete second part, so you can hear it as actually part of the tune and not broken up into the little sections that we discussed. So what I'll actually do, I'll play it slow, and then I'll play it slightly faster for you. That's pretty much it for now, folks. If you wouldn't mind giving a thumbs up and dropping a comment, subscribing and ringing the bell, it'd be really very much appreciated. Also, the sleeve notes for the tune will be in the description, so you can follow along with it. And if you like the whistle, there's a link in the description as well, where you can get yourself one. But until the next time, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Thanks.